Welcome back to Let's Unbound with one more video on 11 plus exam guide. I'm here to explain you one more concept of the verbal section, and the topic that I'm covering for today is finding the closest meaning. Now, as the name suggests, we have to find the words which has a very similar meaning. The questions that are asked in the format is that you would be given some words. Out of those words, you have to find the meaning of the two words which are very nearby or very similar in its meaning. So let us learn with the example. In this first example, we have 5 set of words which reads happy, content, joyful, depressed, dismay. Now, understanding for each of the meaning, happy means joyful or merry, in a very good mood. Content means satisfied. Joyful means happy or of course in a good mood. Depressed means sad mood. And dismay means shocked or horrified mood. So from all these meanings, I can very easily relate that happy and joyful are quite similar. Happy also means merry, joyful also means merry. So they both are same, and that is why the correct option is option D, which displays the same meaning, happy and joyful. Let us learn one more similar example here. So here we are again given 5 words, and the words reads shout, whisper, chat, explain, exclaim. Let us understand the meaning of all these now. Shout means you're speaking with a loud tone, right? You're shouting on someone angry and your tone is automatically loud. Whisper means you're speaking very softly, right? As if only 2 persons can hear. Chat. Chat is a very informal and a friendly talk that we usually do with our friends. Now, there is no range of talks in this. Sometimes when you're talking with your friends, you talk softly. Sometimes you're very happily, you talk at the loud of the voice. You chit chat, you chatter. So there is no range for chat. The fourth word is explain. Now, explain means making someone something clear, explaining them doubts, right? So here, this explanation is normally done in a soft and a decent tone. The tone here is soft and decent. It's neither very loud, it's neither very low. The last word is exclaim. Exclaim means yelling, right? So obviously when you yell, your voice again goes loud. So from this, let us find out which is similar now. So shout also means your voice goes loud, and exclaim also means your voice goes loud. So here we can conclude that the two words which are very similar is the option C, which is shout and exclaim. Okay. So this is how you will understand the meanings and choose the words which are quite similar. So here I have one example for you to try it for yourself. The words that I'm giving are far, near, away, distant, around. Think of the words, think of the literal meaning, and then choose your answer. And don't forget to give your answer in the comment section below. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.